Welcome. If you want to send a video with text to a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to share your video and message with everyone in your group chat. Start by opening X in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you to all your private conversations, including your group chats. Next, find and select the group you want to send your video to. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group by its name or members. Inside the group chat, look for the media icon. It usually looks like a small image or camera symbol next to the message box. Click on this icon and a File Explorer window will pop up. Now, browse your computer for the video you want to share. Once you've found it, click Open to attach the video to your message. Before you send it, you can add your own text. Type your message in the text box. This could be a description, a question, or anything you want your group to know about the video. When you're ready, simply click the Send button. Your video, along with your text, will be delivered instantly to everyone in the group chat. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can share videos and messages with your group on X, making your conversations more engaging and interactive. Try it out and keep your group chats lively with videos and personalized messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips for making the most of X on your PC.